Hi everyone. I hope everyone is staying home and keeping yourself positive and strong. Please keep doing things that keep you motivated and cheerful. Today, I have decided to paint a rainy scene from a forest. These are the brushes I have used in today's painting. Let me explain them in detail. This is called a mob brush, mainly used for blending backgrounds. Today I have used this in creating foliages too, but you can totally skip this one and just use the filbert brushes for creating such leaves and foliages. This is the filbert brush I was talking about. These are very versatile brushes and used to create any nature elements like flowers, leaves, trees, branches, sky, clouds, you name it. So, this is my personal favorite too, and I've used various sizes of these in this particular painting. And these are liner brushes used for making tiny lines and branches. Let's look into the painting process in detail. Now blend these colors using a flat brush in a vertical movement. Remember, we are creating a rain effect here, so let all our blending be on a vertical movement.
Basically, I'm trying to create a reflected moonlight at the center, keeping the remaining area dark.
I am now making the background trees little blurry by giving vertical strokes of white to give the rain effect. And then I am creating the plants and trees at the background using a filbert brush like I've explained earlier, or you can use a mop brush too if you have one, but loading very less paint. You may notice that for creating the foliages, I am using the various shades of green from darker to lighter shades. Use a cotton swab to make these tiny flowers.